In this video, we are going to discuss one problem on polar part. The question is the loop transfer function of unit feedback system is given by g of s into h of s is equal to 1 divided by s into 1 plus s the whole square. Sketch the polar plot for the system and determine the gain and the phase module of the system. It is a open loop transfer function. Okay. So here, since it is a unity feedback, h of s is equal to 1. And so that I can write the above equation as so the first step is you have to substitute s is equal to j omega. So g of j omega is equal to j of omega plus j omega the whole square, because here the h of j omega value is 1. So the next step is what you have to do is you have to compute the corner frequency. Okay, so in j omega you can see it is omega is multiplied with 1. So for both j omega, so w c of 1 is the corner frequency 1 is equal to 1 radian per second. Okay, j omega it is multiplied with 1, so I am writing the corner frequency as equal to 1. The step 3 is you need to find the magnitude of g of j omega. So it has been written as you have to take a root of omega square. Okay, here also you have to take root of 1 square plus omega square the whole square. Okay. So since you can see 1 plus j omega, I can write as root of 1 square plus omega square, and I have whole square. Okay, so on solving this, you will get 1 divided by omega into 1 plus omega square. Okay, so if you want, you can multiply with 1 divided by omega plus omega cube. Next one is to find the phase. So the phase of g of j omega is equal to, formula is minus 90 degree. So it is not formula. 1 divided by j represent minus 90 degree, minus 2. 2 means here this 1 plus j 1 plus j omega the whole square. So it is you have to multiply 2 tan inverse of omega. Okay, so since it is in the denominator, I am substituting minus. Okay, minus 90 degree minus 2 into tan inverse of the j term and the real term. Okay, so this I can write as like this, and the step 4 is for the different value of omega, that is frequency, which is measured in radian per second, find the magnitude and the phase angle value of the system. So in just substituting the omega value as it's a random value, so taking it as 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 1, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Okay, so here since the magnitude value of g of j omega is equal to this one, so if you substitute the value, I will tell you how to do it in the calculator. So with the help of calculator, you can calculate these values. Okay, so let's see how to do the problem with the help of calculator. So the first step is go to mode and select the degree by pressing 1, and press 1 divided by open braces, 2 open braces, then press alpha constant here the value as a. Okay, plus open braces and close braces inside that one you have to write a power 3 and close braces. Okay, so you can, if you press this one, you will get the max error. So instead of that, you press calculate button. So it is asking the values for a. So you press the value as 0.4 and give equal to. So you will get the answer, right? So you get the answer as 2.15. Okay, so you can write it as 2.2. In similar way, you can again press the value equal to, and then you give the answer value as 0.5, then press equal to. Okay, you get the answer as 1.6. In similar way, you press 0.6, then you give equal to, you get to 1.225. Next, you press equal to, give the value of 0.7, then you press equal to, you will get 0.95. For point for 0.8, you give equal to, you will get 0.76. Then you press the calculate 0.9 equal to, you will get 0.6138. Okay, for 1, you will get the answer as 0.5. For 1.1, you will get the answer as 0.41. For 1.2, press equal to, you will get 0.3415. Next, for 1.3, give equal to, you will get 0.2859. Okay, next, for phase, give minus 90 degree minus 2 into tan inverse into tan inverse of constant value, open braces and close braces, alpha a inside this one. Okay, so if you press equal to, if you press calculator, give the value of a as 0.4, so you will get the answer as minus 133.6. So if you give 0.5, you will get the answer as minus 143.13. Next, you press equal to, then give 0.6, you will get minus 151.9. Okay, so if you press equal to, press 0.7, you will get the answer as minus 160. Then press equal to, give 0.8, you will get the answer as minus 167.3. Then you press 0.9, you will get the answer as minus 174. So by rounding off the value, so if you get 1, you get the answer as minus 180. So likewise, you can calculate the rest of the values. Okay. So next, if you see the question, and the question they are given g of s of h of s is equal to 1 divided by s into 1 plus s the whole square, right? So from the value of the power of s, the power of s is 1, and 1 plus s the whole square. So the power of s is 1, so it is a type 1 system. And if you multiply s square with s, you will get s cube. So this represents the order. So it is 3. So in the polar plot, you can see here the phase is negative, and this one represent the type 1 system. Okay, and the order 3 becomes at the third quadrant. Okay, so at this place. Okay, this is order 3. Okay, so generally if you see the polar plot, this is type 0, this one represent type 0, and this one represent type 2, and this one represent type 3. Okay, and similar way in order represent, this is order 1. So you can see order starts from 1 and type starts from 0. This is order 2, and this one is order 4. Order 4 means s power values, s power the total s power s values. Okay, since phase is negative, and let me erase this. Since the phase is negative, you can see the angle is degree is from 0, 90, 180 and 270 degree. Here the phase is negative, so you have to move it in the negative direction, clockwise direction. Okay, and you can fix the value of omega like this. Okay, this is also you can fix it on your own. Okay, so here I am going to take this one as minus 15, minus 30, minus 45, like that. This will be minus 90 degree and this will be minus 180 degree. So this becomes minus 105, minus 120, minus 135, minus 150, minus 165 degree. Okay, so here you can see it is nothing but a type 1. So it start from here, this side, and it will end towards the order 3. Okay, so this is how the graph will be look like. So since it is phase is negative, it has to be, this has to be minus 10, minus 20. Okay, minus 20, minus 30, like that. Okay, so I'm going to fix this one as so here I'm going to fix the magnitude as 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2, since it is ranging from 2.2 to 0.26. Okay, and next what I'm going to do is for 0.5 you can see the phase value is minus 180 degree. So first I'm going to fix that one. Okay, so I'm going to fix at magnitude is 0.5 and phase is minus 180 degree. So the omega value is 1. Okay, for this point. Okay, similar way when magnitude is 1, it is 1 minus 159. So 159 is at this point. Okay, so at this point the omega value is so what is the omega value? Omega value is 0.7. In the similar way, I can fix 2.2. Next, I'm going to fix it for 1.6. This is 1.55 and this is 1.6. For 1.6, it is minus 143. So here you have 143. Okay. So at this point, the omega value is 0.5. Next, at 0.4. So this is 0.4. It is 185. So here you can see at this point it is 185 minus 185. So it is 1.10. So the omega value is 1.10. So now you can see it is a type 1 and order 3 system, right? In similar way, you can plot it for 1.2, 1.3 and all. Next, this is 1.3, right? A similar way, if you want, you can plot for 2.2. So this is 2.2 and the 2.2 the phase values minus 134. So this is when the omega value is 0.4, right? So now we can join this dots. Okay, you can join the dots. So these points are fair enough to calculate the gain and phase margin. Okay. So the 0.3 and 180 you have it here. So this is nothing but when omega is 1.22, 1.2 extra 0.26 will be here, right? So you can draw like this. Okay, so this is omega is equal to 1.3. So it will go to the origin. Okay, after that, so this is fair enough to calculate the value of gain margin and the phase margin. So the gain margin is equal to 1 divided by magnitude of j omega h omega uh, at omega pc. Okay, so this graph will cut at the minus 180 degree. Okay, at when the magnitude is 0.5. This is the magnitude value, right? So it will causes this 180 degree at the magnitude 0.5. So 1 divided by 0.5 is 2. Next one is phase margin. So the formula is 180 degree plus 5 GC gain margin pass over frequency. So it is a phase value. Okay, so this is nothing but your unit diagram or unit circle, and this line is cut at to the phase minus 159 degree. So this is nothing but your minus 159 degree. So you substitute here 180 degree minus 159 degree is 21 degree. So this is how you have to calculate the gain and the phase margin.